Hello ladies and gents, Ro here, and welcome to No Films. Today we're going to continue our iMovie tutorials, and in this tutorial we're going to show you guys how to properly delete or fully delete a movie clip that you may have imported into iMovie. So what you normally would do is you'd start out by importing a clip or a photo from your desktop or from your camera or iPhone, for example, and you'd import it straight into your event that you would like to put it in. For example, you can either go through import option to import the photo or video, or you can go directly from your desktop, drag it in, which is what I normally do. I would drag it in and I would drop it straight into the event that I want it in. For this example, I'm just going to use my event, that's iMovie tutorial event, and here I've imported a few images that I've had previously here, and an actual clip. Also, this is from our previous tutorial. Be sure to check that out. It's how to precisely edit these. It's basically using this zoom in function to see all of these titles and text that we have for now. But for this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete some of these exactly and how to remove them fully off of your computer. That way it doesn't take up space, because as soon as you start messing with a lot of or editing a lot of footage, your computer starts getting full of footage, videos, and it tends to use up a lot of memory. So what we're going to do is first we're going to select this. For example, I'm going to use an image as an example, but when you're done with editing with the clip that you've within the event and you've put into a project, you've exported that project, you're done with using that clip now or that image, what you can do is basically you want to select the whole clip first. You can either double click that, and then you can actually select multiple ones, but you just double click it and then you can right click and go to move to trash. Now sometimes this doesn't fully move it to trash, it'll give you a prompt sometimes. Are you sure you want to delete the selected files from iMovie? Just hit OK, and then let's just do another one here. Let's do this image here, double click it, right click and go to move to trash. It'll give you another prompt. It will move it completely to trash. Sometimes it doesn't move it directly to trash. In this example it may have, but if it doesn't end up in your trash, you can go right over here to this little prompt where it says hide rejected, right next to the search bar and right next to where you can adjust the clip sizes. If you go down under, instead of going hide rejected, go to rejected, and it will show you in here what has been rejected, what you've moved into the rejections section. For example, like if I select this and I hit delete, if I hit delete and I don't right click it and go to move to trash, I just selected it and hit delete on my keyboard, it'll take it straight into the rejected, and you'll see it'll be in the rejected folder. Now you can right click it from the rejected and go to move to trash, and then from here it'll take it directly to trash as an example. Now it's completely off of iMovie. Now let's say if you still have it within a project, I suggest you go to that project and delete it from that project personally. But since this is within this event, I only have one project, and within that project I don't have any of those images within this project, so I deleted those movies. So they're gonna be, those clips and files, they're gonna be in my trash. Now also, since I don't need them anymore, also if I had them on my desktop or anywhere else on my computer, I do suggest moving them from your computer to the trash as well. So you can search them by name through Spotlight here, or you can actually search them and find them on your desktop if you saved them on your desktop, which is where I normally save my clips. That way I know to delete them afterwards, that I'm done with them, and it frees up a lot of space on my computer since I work with videos very often. So now that you have it in trash, my iMovie is actually, I don't know why it's going very slow for some reason, but I'm actually going to close it out well, that's actually part of the tutorial. And because when you're done with it, you've moved what you wanted to move to trash, you've removed it from your computer, you searched it maybe on your computer also. I'm just going to ignore and hit OK. You've searched for it on your computer, it's not on your computer anywhere besides your trash. You can go to your trash and you can go and empty your trash after that as well. Empty trash. Now sometimes it'll give you a prompt saying that the following item cannot be removed because it is still being used. If you get that prompt, make sure you close down iMovie. Just go to force quit or just quit. Once you close down iMovie, give it like maybe 10 seconds, go back to the trash and go to empty trash again, and it will let you empty this time. That means iMovie's, when you close it out, that means iMovie's no longer using it, and then you'll be able to empty that trash, and that clip should be completely gone. But be sure to take advantage of the Spotlight search. It searches for the file name, the image name. You'll be able to find it all over anywhere on your computer basically, if you have that file or that movie within iMovie or on your desktop somewhere on your computer. But yeah, that's the basics right there on how to delete from your iMovie. You're just gonna have to go to just check out your hide rejected. Now right click to move to trash, select what you want to move, make sure it's no longer in your projects, and then go ahead and empty your trash afterwards as well. And make sure you have iMovie closed when you're emptying your trash to fully successfully remove all those clips and images. Other than that, be sure to leave any questions in the comment section below, you guys. I'll be happy to help you. Catch you guys next tutorial, and later.
Let my life be the proof of your love.